Today's featured car of the day is a 1975 Triumph TR6. And I'll read from the owner's comments at the auction. And owner stated long-term ownership of a late model TR6 with all available options. Rare factory steel hardtop, overdrive transmission, rebuilt by experts, luggage rack, Italian rosewood dash, new interior, new convertible top, and new paint in the factory original color. And the color was Java green. Unfortunately, the seller didn't mention the mileage on it, but I remember it being low, and it sold for $14,300 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And I thought that was a pretty good deal. You got a nice car for the money, and definitely an eye-catching color, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1975 Triumph TR6 with the removable hardtop and all available factory options, the rare factory steel hardtop, overdrive transmission, luggage rack, and new interior top, or paint in the factory original color of Java green. And it sold for $14,300 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.